channel. As you can see, I have my Boxycharm, and this is for April 2019. And I had said in one of my other videos that I was going to cancel, but I ended up not canceling because I saw the spoilers and I really got excited over one of the products. And that rarely happens lately with Boxycharm, so I ended up keeping the subscription. And now I'm actually really happy that I did, because I saw what's supposed to be in May and also in the June Boxy Luxe. So I'm gonna keep the subscription for now and just see how it goes. We'll see what happens after June. But for now, I will show you what's in April's box. Now, this is a $21 a month subscription, and you do get, from what it says on the website, 4 to 5 full-size or travel-size items. Most of the time it is makeup, but I'll give you a quick little spoiler. For May and for the June Boxy Luxe, there is some skincare. So I'm very excited that they're gonna put some skincare in the regular box as well as the Boxy Luxe, and they're gonna be coming out with their limited edition skincare box, and I saw the spoilers on that as well. So the regular box is $21 a month, which is this, and then when you get Boxy Luxe, it ends up being $49.99 for that month that you receive your Boxy Luxe. But anyway, let's get into this. When you open up the box, you'll see your little card on here, and it'll give you your theme. Now, the April box was really all about Coachella, because they were at Coachella, and they made their theme based on that, I believe. So this is Peace, Love, and Boxy. On the other side, you get a list of your products as well as prices. The total value of this box is $128, at least for my variation. I ended up receiving variation number 3. So let me show you what everybody was receiving. These are from Luxie, and I've gotten quite a few Luxie brushes from Boxycharm, and I really enjoy them. This is the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set. It's valued at $28. I really do love the handles. They look like a sunset. Very pretty for the summer. It says on the card here, the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contour and brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. This is the Starlooks Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. It's valued at $19. So it's just an eyeliner, and it's in the shade Celestial. I don't have any products from Starlooks, and it's like a green minty shade, very shimmery and glittery. I've swatched this already, and this thing does not budge. It's a little on the hard side, so you really gotta like get in there with it. So it's a little hard. This is what it looks like. So it's very glittery. This is the amount of product that you're getting. So would I pay $19 for this? No, absolutely not. But they were sending a few different lip products this month, and I'm okay with this one. This is from Christopher Buckle. I've never had any products from this brand either. This is the Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick. It's valued at $18. It says full impact color. Cashmere Slip is a creamy, richly pigmented lipstick that delivers bold color for up to 8 hours. Easy to apply, this luxurious formula glides on smooth and wears comfortably. I'm actually happy that I received a lipstick and not another lip gloss. The one I received is called Renaissance. This is what it looks like. I think it's very pretty. I do really like it a lot. This is what the actual lipstick looks like. I'm okay with it, only because we get so many shades like this from Boxycharm. They're always sending mauve shades or shades like this. I would have preferred more of a nude shade. So that is what it looks like. It went on very nicely. It feels a little heavy on my hand. Honestly, like I still feel it, but it's very pretty. It's just light enough that I will use it. This next product everybody was receiving. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's valued at $27. It says this all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. So they had 2 different shades in this highlight. I'm very happy I received this one, which is called Summer Haze, but they also had like a purple one. I don't know exactly what it was called. I actually do not have any kind of loose highlight powder. And I also don't have anything from this Artist Couture brand. So far I have 3 products that I've never owned. It's a bit on the messy side. I went ahead and opened it ahead of time because there's a little plastic in here that you really need to, get tweezers and open it up. So it does slide like this all the way around so that you could see all the little, holes to get the highlight out. So you really want to be careful because it's very, very messy. I tried to get the best swatch possible, but that is it right there. As you can see, it does kind of get all over, but it's a very, very pretty shimmery shade. I mean, I got glitter up here, but it's pretty messy. But I also just went in there with my hands and just tried to get a quick little swatch. So I think it might be a little better with more of a precise brush, but I really do like this. I think this can be used everywhere. It's very, very pretty. I think it's going to be really nice for the summer. And then the last but not least is the product I was most excited about. This is from Pure. This is the Festival palette. It's a 12-piece pressed pigmented palette. It's valued at $36. It says, unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. It did come in bubble wrap, and I already opened it. But I have not swatched this yet. So I'm going to show you first that in the box, we received a sample of this Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. When you open it up, you will have a really good sized mirror over here. And then there was plastic covering this and it was taped on each side. So I really didn't like that because now it's all sticky and I feel like it's going to get, all the eyeshadow is going to stick to that glue. You're getting these 2 pressed glitters, which I typically don't reach for at all. You're getting some shimmers, and then you get these 2 very bright pops of color. You have this purple and this pink. So honestly, other than those 2 and these pressed glitters, everything else is wearable on a daily basis, in my opinion, depending on the kind of look you go for. Right now, my favorite is this one called Sunset, and this one called Free Spirit. I think they're very, very pretty. I'm gonna swatch some. So on this arm, I swatched all of the shades that are the neutral shades or the ones that you can wear on a more regular basis or for a more neutral look. So these are all the shimmers, and this is the one that I really like that's called Free Spirit, and it's that one in the corner. And then these are the matte shades, so these 3 here, and then you have all the other shimmery shades that are on that top. And then on this arm, I put all of the more bold shades and the glitters. So this is the one that I love so much. This is that Sunset shade, so I really, really like this one. That's my favorite. Then we have the purple and the pink, and I went in with a very heavy hand with the purple and the pink. And then the glitters, I obviously went really, really hard with the pressed glitters because obviously I wanted you to really see what it looks like on the skin. These I'm just a little afraid of using because I feel like glitter is gonna get in my eyes, and I just don't know if I'm even gonna reach for them, but I did want to at least swatch them. So I really do like all of these shades. I don't think they're too crazy, and I'm very excited to play around with them. All right, everybody, so that is it for the April Boxycharm. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this month's box, and let me know if you received a different variation. I know they send so many different variations. Overall, I was very happy with the box because I received things that I've never tried before and that I typically would never buy for myself, including this eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite. I can't wait to play around with it. I got a few brands that I've never heard of, never tried. And then of course, getting brushes, in my opinion, is always the best. So I love getting brushes. So the value of everything comes to $128. Keep a lookout for all of my upcoming April unboxings. I still have a few more that I'm waiting for. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And feel free to share this and help me grow my channel. I appreciate the support. Also, follow me on Instagram. That is linked down below in the description box. I will also have a link for Boxycharm. But until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.